Right here, guys. Toe in, no start. '09 Chrysler Town and Country. All right, so whoa, look at this, guys. Conversion. Somebody has converted the battery into a freaking side post. No, guys, it's not supposed to be a side post. Let me see if it'll start. Nothing, guys. It's dead. All right, so I'm gonna need a jump off. Y'all stay tuned. Oh, guys, I had to jump it off, and lo and behold, oh my goodness. Oh, I'm not charging, guys. And this alternator. Ooh. That's loud. Look at this, guys. Conversion kit. Look how they did this battery. So I'm essentially riding off the juice supplied by my jump box. Yeah, 10 volts is not enough. So I'm going to need an alternator, and I'm going to check some more things over, but it's definitely not charging. And on top of that, it's freaking noisy. Go figure. Not much diagnosing to do there. But I'm going to see if they want me to convert this back to factory or leave it the way it is. Okay, the battery is dead. It's dead because it's not charging. Alrighty, guys, y'all remember this minivan, old minivan that had the noisy alternator on the shorts? I did. Well, I'm getting ready to bring this in the shop. I had to bring my jump box, get this into the shop to replace this alternator and this battery. But guys, let me highlight this. Look at this. Now I know I'm in a bubble. I've been in the bubble for a long time. I didn't know. I'm sorry. I know some of y'all gonna dog me out, but I didn't know they make batteries that can go both ways. Look at this, guys. I think this was right here. Yeah, you can go top post or side post. Look at that. Isn't that neat? That is some smooth stuff. So whether your car is set up for it or not, you have the options. Okay, but unfortunately, I'm getting ready to replace this, so I have to go with what the car calls for in the parts department. All right, so they're giving me a top post battery, so I'm gonna have to convert this back to original. I got a long video coming up on this. I want y'all to watch. All right, so for now, yeah, I'm just drooling over this setup. I gotta get out more. I know. Y'all stay tuned, man. Alrighty, guys. So I was just told my parts was here for that van. Y'all remember that van I checked out at 09 where they had converted the battery into a side post? See, guys, I told y'all when I asked for a battery, they're gonna give me the battery that it calls for. They're not gonna give me a side post battery. So the customer went ahead on and approved the terminals. So all I'm gonna do is attach these terminals. These was replaceable. That's good news for her. Otherwise, we would have to do a whole harness because we don't splice and cut terminals into harness, guys. It's just something we don't do. So now I'm gonna convert this battery setup the way it was designed. Top post with terminals, and I got me a new alternator, guys. This big, y'all see this big old M on this alternator? That's right, guys. Mopar, no car. None of that Derman stuff. Oh, wrong type video. Anyway, got a new alternator, new battery. Now I gotta go get the car in. Hopefully I can drive it in. We'll charge my jump box up. Oh, I got a new belt too, and an idler pulley just in case that was making noise as well. So they then want me to look the car over some more once we get it in. So I tell you what, man, y'all stay tuned. Mopar, no car. Right, guys, real quick, decision. Now I just put this new alternator on here, getting ready to put the connections back. Now guys, you got a choice if you want to use the bolt that the alternator came with or use the aerated bolt that came off of it. Y'all see those indentions in this nut? Okay, that's that will help. In my opinion, that helps grab a better bite on the flange as well as the nut. So I would use the bolt that come off of it originally. See that? Alrighty guys, real quick, let me clarify something, okay? This is this '09 Caravan that I just worked on. Y'all remember, I'm gonna put some screens right here of the old video where the battery what came in on side posts, guys. Okay, now guys, really doesn't matter how you connect to a battery as long as you go by the car's recommended cold cranking app. Okay, in this case 700 cold cranking app is what the dealer gave me. Okay, this is a Mopar dealer battery. What was on it could have possibly been a 700 cold cranking amp battery, but the connections was on the side. So all they did was just took the terminals off and connected the battery cables to the side post of the battery. All right, and they use some different kind of fittings to connect it. Guys, there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, I want to point that out and make that clear. Everybody jumping on here saying you could do that. Yes, you can, but in the process of going to get a replacement battery, this is the battery that they gave me, so I have to reconfigure this back to normal specs. So customer approved, everything okay, everybody happy.